Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your movements on Mico. So let's get started. First, open your Mico application. Make sure you are logged into your Mico account. Now tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the displayed name and then select Movement option. Scroll down and select the movement that you would like to share. Tap on the three vertical dot at the bottom of your movement and then tap on More option. Select any platform that you prefer. And this is how you can share your movements on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.